Joel Dupay with Quadco here to talk about our brand new Quadco 7000XTDS, which means disc saw. So this head is unique is that we have a Quadco 7000 processor mounted to a Quadco 24-inch disc saw on the bottom. So this is designed to hook onto a feller buncher, which gives you two machines in one. So you're going to have a machine that can fall the tree just like a hot saw or an intermittent saw, but it also will tip down and process the tree just like a regular processor. So you have the same control system as a regular Logmax in the cab, same knives, same measuring system, same top saw, but you have an intermittent disc on the bottom with a 24-inch cut. As we walk around the backside here, it's very unique in that the frame is made to be just for this head. It's not a modified dangle head. This is a purpose-built falling head as a processor. So it has a Quadco built rotate system on it. We actually use our adapter off our hot saws on this, and it's very unique in that you have a very clean platform that's going to be super reliable, easy to live with. We have a gentleman that has one of these that was prototype number 1. He had a 7000 XT bar saw. His production went up a load a day. So this is something that's extremely exciting because it's brand new to the market. It's going to be very productive, very reliable, and a great way for a logger to earn a living.